We're in Hurghada, Egypt, on the Red Sea, and this is our hotel. Unfortunately, we're only going to be here one night, but we got the bathroom here, and I'm just seeing stuff for the first time too. Looks like we got a lot of closet space in there. Refrigerator, more closet space. There's table, sofa. I think that's a Hurghada bed too. TV. We got a living area over here. There's a back patio door. I'm not sure what just to hang out, but the main hotel's up that way. We're in like the little fancier area, but the main hotel's up there. But we have this really nice room. It goes up. We got upgraded to this. I haven't been up here yet. Again, Hurghada, Egypt. It's right on the Red Sea. So the whole reason we came here is just so we could see the Red Sea and go out and swim in it. Oh, wow. Oh, here's another bathroom. And a window from the bathroom into the room. Okay. And more closet space there. Little nook and cranny. There's a bed. There's Lise. Naomi's up there. Oh, wow. Here's... We'll take a look outside here and see. Thank you, Naomi. Oh, now this... I can see why I'd want to sit out here. So... this water park here and stuff, but right beyond the palm trees there, you can see these sidewalks. This is all part of the hotel area. We can go right out there to the Red Sea and swim in it. I just had a record coming this way too, because it looks pretty cool looking back down.